Welcome to Board.Vision Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to download and install the Board.Vision app on your iPad or iPhone. The Board.Vision app is installed from the Apple App Store, which requires an Apple ID. If your device is controlled by your IT department, please approach them for assistance. For an optimal user experience, we recommend completing a few pre-installation steps on your device before downloading the Board.Vision app. Step 1. Ensure that your device is updated to the latest iOS version. To check your device iOS version, open your device settings. Tap on General. Tap on About. Find the version number tag. You can find more information on the iOS version supported by Board.Vision app in the link found in the description below. Step 2. Enable the automatic app updates to ensure you have the latest Board.Vision app at all times. To enable automatic updates on your device, from your device settings, tap on iTunes and App Store. Under the Automatic Updates section, find the App Updates setting and ensure it is enabled or green. Step 3. Enable JavaScript in Safari. To enable JavaScript in Safari on your iPad or iPhone, from your device settings, scroll down to find Safari, and tap on it to bring up the options page. Scroll down to Advanced. In Advanced Settings, look for JavaScript and ensure the setting is enabled or green. We are now ready to install the app on your device. To install the Board.Vision app, open the App Store. Tap Search and type Board.Vision. A list of search results will appear. Depending on the device you are using, locate Board.Vision for iPad or Board.Vision for iPhone in the search result. Tap the Get button to download the app. Once the download is complete, tap on Open to start the app. Upon opening the app for the first time, you will be greeted with a prompt showing Board.Vision would like to send you notifications. We recommend enabling notifications for the app as it will ensure you receive timely notifications about tasks or events that require your attention. To enable notification, tap Allow. Congratulations! Your Board.Vision app is now successfully installed. The next step is to activate your Board.Vision account. Check on the video activating your Board.Vision account linked in the description below. If you face any issues in completing the steps shown in this video, please reach out to our customer experience team at support@board.vision or +65 6909 7100, and we will be happy to help.